She claims her baby is my husband's heir. This prenatal DNA test says otherwise.
You are holding the sealed lab results for the defendant's unborn child?
That envelope is a fake. I am carrying the true Perkins heir.
My son Robbie is his only heir. You are just a delusional mistress.
Robbie is the past. My baby is the upgrade your husband always wanted.
Calling an unborn child an upgrade over a grieving son is incredibly cruel.
It is the truth. He left that house to me and my baby.
He never left you anything. You broke into my home waving a forged will. The court will determine the validity of the estate claim based on paternity.
The paternity is obvious. We were deeply in love before his accident.
He was planning to file a restraining order against you before he died.
You are a bitter liar. He promised me a life in that house.
A promise does not constitute a legal transfer of a marital estate.
My baby's bloodline entitles us to the inheritance. I demand my share.
You will not see a single dime of my family's money. If the child is his, the law does mandate financial provisions for the infant.
Exactly. Hand over the keys, because this baby is a Perkins.
You are using a pregnancy as a weapon to steal from a widow.
I am securing my child's future. Your time as the matriarch is over.
Your absolute lack of empathy for the deceased's legal family is staggering.
I don't need empathy. I have biology on my side.
You have nothing but a massive web of disgusting lies. Plaintiff, you stated you have a prenatal DNA test in that envelope?
Yes, Your Honor. I secured a court order for the test last month.
I never submitted to any test. You are committing medical fraud.
Is that true, plaintiff? How did you obtain the defendant's genetic material?
She left her medical trash at my house when she broke in.
My lawyer legally collected the discarded items for an emergency injunction.
We cross-referenced it with my late husband's hospital blood samples. The lab processed the non-invasive prenatal paternity test independently. So this envelope contains the certified results from LabCorp.
It violates my privacy. You cannot read a stolen medical test in court.
When you sued my son for his inheritance, your privacy became public record.
The plaintiff is absolutely correct. You opened the door to this scrutiny.
I don't care. The test is going to prove he is the father anyway.
Then why are you shaking so badly? You look absolutely terrified.
I am angry, not terrified. You are trying to humiliate me.
Bailiff, please retrieve the sealed envelope from the plaintiff and bring it here.
Do not open that. I will sue this entire courtroom.
Your threats mean nothing. The absolute truth is finally coming out. The bailiff has handed me the sealed document. It bears the official LabCorp watermark.
It is a forged document. She probably paid someone to print it.
I don't have to forge anything. Your own arrogant actions ruined you. Before I break this seal, defendant, do you wish to amend your testimony?
No. My baby is the sole heir to the Perkins estate.
You are sticking to the lie even while the hammer drops. Pathetic. You are testifying under oath that the deceased is the biological father?
I swear on my unborn child's life, he is the father.
I cannot believe you would curse your own baby with blatant perjury.
Very well. I am breaking the seal on the official laboratory results now.
Read it. Read it and weep, because I am taking that house.
I am reviewing the data. The genetic markers have been fully analyzed. Please, Your Honor, put an end to this nightmare for my son.
Your son is irrelevant now. My baby is the new priority.
Your arrogance is only matched by your sheer, unbelievable audacity.
What does it say? Tell her she lost the entire estate.
She is reading the complete destruction of your entire financial scam.
This document details the probability of paternity between the deceased and the fetus.
It says 99%, right? Tell her the baby is his.
You know exactly what it says. You've known since day one. Ms. Hayes, I am looking at a bold, undeniable 0.
No, that is impossible. The lab made a catastrophic mistake.
Science does not lie, but you certainly do.
The probability of paternity is officially 0%. He is not the father.
You switched the samples. You framed me to steal my rightful inheritance.
It was never your inheritance. You tried to rob a grieving family.
These results are certified by a court-ordered medical official. They are absolute.
He loved me. We were gonna raise this baby together.
He didn't even know you were pregnant because it isn't his. Your entire claim to this family's estate was based on a deliberate biological fraud.
I have nowhere to go. I need that house for my baby.
You should have thought about that before you tried to evict a widow. You attempted to use the legal system to extort a grieving family.
It isn't extortion. I was just trying to survive the tragedy.
By destroying my son's legacy, you are a selfish predator. Your petition for emergency occupancy and child support is permanently denied.
Please, Your Honor, I have no money. I am pregnant and alone.
You are crying for yourself, not for my husband. You never loved him. You will receive 0 financial compensation from this estate. The fraud is documented.
This is completely unfair. You are ruining my innocent child's life.
You ruined it the moment you decided to commit perjury in my courtroom. My husband's name will remain untainted by your disgusting, desperate lies.
I will appeal this. I will get a second DNA test immediately.
Any further testing will only confirm what LabCorp has already certified today.
I hate you. I hate both of you for doing this to me.
Get out of my sight. You are a pathetic footnote in his life. Ms. Hayes, according to LabCorp, the only thing you're inheriting is a baby that isn't his.
You cannot speak to me like that. I am a struggling mother.
Your claim is denied. This house and this family's name belong to his son. Thank you, Your Honor. Absolute justice has finally been served for Robbie.
I am completely broke. What am I supposed to do now?
That is no longer the concern of this court or this family.
You are leaving a pregnant woman to starve. Have some compassion.
I save my compassion for people who don't try to steal my home. Bailiff, escort the defendant out of the building. We are adjourned.
He was supposed to take care of me. He promised me immense wealth.
He never promised you anything, but I know exactly who did.
What are you talking about? Leave me alone, you psycho.
I said we are adjourned. Please exit the courtroom immediately. I matched the DNA to my brother-in-law. You've been sleeping with my husband's brother.